With Russia losing a lot of equipment on the battlefield, it becomes Ukraine's drone army's job to clean it up, filling the important role to make sure Russia can't repair their equipment. And as seen here, Ukraine's drone operators have become very good at their job, causing an immediate explosion as the warhead penetrates into the ammunition, causing the tank to disappear with the turret falling down from the sky, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.